Welcome! Let's learn about the redesigned runner system tools in Inspire Cast. With the runner system sub-ribbon, you can create virtual gates or designate a pre-designed runner system. We'll demonstrate both processes. To create virtual gates, start by clicking the runner system tool in the casting ribbon. Then click the gates tool in the sub-ribbon. Click the model to place your gate. You can opt for circular or rectangular gates. Change the size of the gate. And change the gate's position. In models with more than one virtual gate, you can control when material starts and stops flowing through each gate. At least one gate must be open at the start of the filling process, start time 0, and at least one gate must still be open at the end of the filling process, end time disabled. At this point, you can add components like risers, chillers, a mold, etc. to the model, or you can go ahead and run a basic analysis from here. If you have a fully defined model, you need to use the other tools in the runner system sub-ribbon. We've already designated this model's casting part, risers, core, and mold parts. Now we're going to designate the runner system. This model only has one injection point. We'll designate it now. If your filling system has more than one injection point, you can control each one's start and end time and trace the material flowing through each entry point, just as with virtual gates. The model is now ready for analysis. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Altair How To for more tips on getting the most out of your Altair products.